A diaper? Holy crap, they have baby thingies?
Yes.
Why are you so mean to me? Ah! Oh yeah, do it. What the hell are you? You should go outside. Crap in there. It's a door. You can have Rose. They won't go on. Oh my god, make him go on. I don't even have candy yet, and I'm like, oh my god. Naked puppies, shouldn't be naked.
Just random.
Just flipping and side stuff.
This is the most random shit ever. Are you done playing yet?
No.
Are you done now?
No.
I'm talking.